Good morning, second graders. You're going to do a few things today. And even though I'm not here, I expect you to do your best. Today, you're going to be gathering the information you need for your research for your ebook. Remember how we talked about you're going to make a book on the iPad? Well, first, you need to have the information for it. Now, you folks are studying water cycles. So you need to gather some information for water cycles. Today, you'll be using this form to fill out your information so that you have things to record when it's time to make your ebook. First, the thing to know is that you can use the books that Auntie Danette shows you in the book box on the water cycle shelf. Choose one book and you will use that same book through the entire project. Once you choose your book, you will fill out this form. You can either write things out or you may draw pictures. But in each box, you have to have some writing. Please do your best work. So, first of all, what we need to do is fill out our form. At the top, you'll see name. That's your name. So I'm going to write my name. And I'm typing because I'm on my computer. So I put my name. You will write your name. Now you're going to write my cycle is the water cycle. Your cycle is the water cycle. Now in this first box, you need to draw a picture of what your cycle looks like. So using arrows and drawings, you can make a cycle in this area. Auntie Danette will show you an example of what a cycle drawing looks like. Now remember, eventually, you're going to have to do a very detailed job on this because these will be the pictures you use for your ebook. So in this box, you're going to draw a picture and words of what your water cycle looks like. You should have the 4 steps of the water cycle as shown in the example Auntie Danette has. In this box here, you're going to write what your water cycle is made up of, including water, steam, ice, clouds, or any other part of the water cycle that you can think of. Here in this box, you will put has these steps and number the steps 1, 2, 3, 4. In this box, you will tell us a little bit about what happens in the water cycle. Please be thorough. Now down here is a very important part, the title of your book. Please don't forget to write down the title of your book. Otherwise, when you come back next week to continue, you won't know which book you used or you may get confused. So please remember to put the book title. So I'm going to put an example, like water cycle, and then please list the author by Twine. That's the last name of the author of the book I used. If you need help, please look at the example on the board and Auntie Danette will be able to show you what to do. During this time, you should be working individually on your own. You should not be talking. You should have your book, a pencil, an eraser if you need one, your sheet that looks like this, and your clipboard. Please do not sit next to anyone else. Sit on your own, open your book, and begin your research. You should be able to finish at least half of this form today. In the next few weeks, we'll begin recording for your ebook. But you won't be able to get your ebook done or begin if you aren't finished with this form because this is the research that you'll need to do your ebook. Now, the learning target today is I can gather information for my cycle on a box chart. So you're going to gather information for your water cycle on this box chart. And the way you'll know you're successful is if you're able to complete this box chart with the information you find in the book. Please don't use information you think from your head. Get all your information from your book. That's how you do research. You gather information from a published author. Please write neatly, and don't forget to write your name and your room number at the top of this page. Have fun!